In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage filters in your Gmail account to streamline your email organization. Let's dive in and make your inbox work more efficiently for you. First things first, navigate to your Gmail account by opening a web browser and typing in the URL https://mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Gmail credentials. If you haven't done so already, enter your email and password to gain access to your inbox. Once you're in, we're ready to start organizing your emails through filtering. You'll want to direct your attention to the search bar at the top of your Gmail page. Look closely, and you'll notice a small down arrow on the right side. This is your gateway to search options. By clicking on this arrow, you're opening the door to a wide range of filtering criteria that can help you sort your emails exactly how you want them. In the search options that appear, you'll have the opportunity to fill in several fields. You can specify emails from a particular sender, address them to a certain recipient, or even include specific words that appear in the subject line. If there are certain words you want to filter for or exclude, you'll have space to enter that as well. Additionally, there is an option to filter emails that contain attachments, which can be extremely useful if you're managing files regularly. Once you've filled in these criteria to suit your needs, it's time to create the filter that will help manage your emails. Simply click Create Filter located at the bottom right corner of the search options box. Now, you get to decide what happens to the emails that match these criteria. You can choose to skip the inbox and archive them, mark them as read, or add a star for importance. You might want to apply a label such as work to help categorize them, or choose to forward certain emails to another account. If there are emails you never want to see again, options like deleting them or ensuring they never go to spam are also available. For more organization, you can choose to categorize emails under sections like primary, social, or promotions. Don't forget to check the box that allows this filter to apply to existing conversations if you want these rules to retroactively organize your current inbox. When you're all set, click on Create Filter again to confirm your choices. Gmail will now automatically apply the actions you chose to all matching emails, both new and existing. If you ever want to adjust these filters, simply click the gear icon in the right corner, select See All Settings, and navigate to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here you can edit, delete, or create new filters to keep your inbox management up to date and relevant to your needs. And there you have it, a seamless way to keep your Gmail organized and efficient. Happy emailing!